ba kene ka Beit Bridge mo ka tsela sena molao ba bang ba kena ka mo ka Mpumalanga ba kena ka rona jwale ha re hane bohaisane le batho ba na le mathata ba tla naheng ya bo rona mara a batle ka molao a kere ke yona ntho e re bitsang ka sekgowa re re immigration batho ba sa tlang ka molao a re ba tsamaise hobane ha re sa tsamaise dintho ka molao re tlo ba le bo tutula mo ntho tse sa feleng and then ubuthi rona ha re batle batho ba Africa.
So that was Fikile Mbalula there, the Secretary General of the ANC, showing that they mean serious business this time around when it comes to illegal immigration. So these guys, from the GNU, they're finally stamping the foot down on illegal immigration, and they vowed, to say that if you are here illegally in South Africa, you are going to be sent back to your home country because they do not want people who are illegally in South Africa. So that's the key takeaway from what Fikile Mbalula was saying here. However, there needs to be serious caution at the same time because it seems, election season is upon us next year, and Fikile Mbalula might be saying this for clout, not really meaning it. Like they are not likely to be taking any action. They are like trying, just to excite the people in the hopes that they can get the support. So that's the other side from the key takeaway of what Fikile Mbalula was saying here. Also, at the same time, what is also worrying is that this was a birthday celebration for Dr. Cholo, and Fikile Mbalula just went off topic on a birthday celebration and took this birthday celebration and took the opportunity to start talking about political matters. Obviously, definitely unprofessional. This is why, it's a challenge to always be inviting politicians because they'll always put their interests first and forget why they've been invited. However, also, Fikile Mbalula knows how to read the room because it's what the people who were in there wanted to hear. He simply said what they wanted to hear. Because surely this is not the first time, that Fikile Mbalula is seeing this issue of illegal immigration. So if you are to see that this guy does not even mean what he was saying, you can look at the one who is leading him, Ramaphosa. Ramaphosa, I've never heard him, touching on this issue of illegal immigration and being serious about it, to say it has to be stopped, it has to be stopped. Even the DA, they never say that, and those are the key players in the GNU. So the key takeaway from here is that Fikile Mbalula did not mean what he was saying. He simply said what the people wanted to hear. I'll catch you guys on the next one.